If you're trying to switch into product management, one of the biggest questions you probably have is, what does a product manager actually do? Because sometimes it sounds like what product managers do all day is meeting after meeting after meeting, and that is their primary responsibility. But the truth is, product management is much deeper than that. Let me explain this in a very simple way for you to understand. The product manager is the person responsible for making sure that the right product is built for the right users at the right time. Right product, built for the right users and at the right time. Your work starts with understanding the problem. For example, imagine you're working on an e-commerce app and you notice that many users add products but do not complete payment. As a product manager or a PM, for the same thing, your first responsibility is not to immediately say, let's redesign the checkout page. Instead, you ask yourself questions like, why are users dropping off? Why are they not getting to the payment part? What is the problem? Is it that the checkout process is too long? Or is it that the payment page is confusing? They don't really know what the next step is or what they need to do? Is it that there is a trust issue? They are finding it difficult to make payment with their cards or anything they have in making payment because they think that maybe you're going to hack it, you're going to use it for something else? Or is the app slow? Is it making it difficult for them? Are they frustrated in making payment? So this is where problem discovery comes in play. You work with data, customer feedback, analysis, and sometimes direct user interview to actually understand what the problem really is or what is actually happening. Now, once the problem is clear, the next step is what? Solution thinking. Now you begin to ask yourself, what can we build to actually solve this problem? Maybe it's building a one-click checkout, or maybe it's including a guest checkout option, or maybe improving the page speed, making sure that everything, once it's clicked on, it opens up. But product management is not just about ideas, it's about alignment. This means working with designers to create user experience, engineers to understand technical feasibility, and business stakeholders to ensure it aligns with the company goals. You see, designers, engineers, business stakeholders, all this group need to align together. Another major responsibility is prioritization. This is one of the most important things you as a product manager should do. You should learn how to prioritize. You will have 20 ideas in the backlog, right? But maybe you have time to build only 2, or maybe only 2 can work at that particular sprint you're currently on. So you have to sit down and ask yourself, which one has the greatest impact? Which one solves the greatest problem? Which one supports business goal? Because at the end of the day, anything you are building, the company must make money to actually be in business. So these 3 things need to be considered. And after this feature is built, your work is not done. No. Now you have to measure outcome. This is where you have to look at, does the cart abandonment rate reduce? Do the company make more revenue? Did the revenue improve? Do the conversion rate increase? This is now the outcome part, right? Now, this is why I always say product management is not about features. It's not about you building the biggest features, or since you joined the company, the app has from 10 features to 100 features. That is not product management. It is about solving problems and driving outcomes. Product managers are really keen on outcomes and solving problems for users. So for beginners and career switchers, I advise you focus on learning how to ask the right question. That mindset will take you really far in your product management role, especially when you are switching careers. You are getting into product management. So if you want a beginner-friendly framework that helps you practice this, my ebook, The Beginner's Guide to Product Management, walks you through this step by step. Here's my launch video. It is also pinned on my profile, so please go and watch it. In there, I shared other benefit that comes with getting this book. And when you see this benefit, you wouldn't want to miss it. Bye for now.